Deep inside the Brazilian jungle, there are animals so strange they almost look unreal. Some are bright enough to warn predators away. Some can shock prey with electricity. Some move so slowly that algae grows on their fur. And one bird looks prehistoric, but smells like a cow. The Amazon rainforest is one of the wildest places on Earth, and Brazil holds many of its most bizarre creatures. Today, we're going into the jungle to discover animals that prove nature can be stranger than fiction. The Brazilian jungle is not just a forest, it is a survival machine. Every animal here has a special trick. Some hide, some poison, some attack, some wait in silence. But the strangest animals are the ones that evolved in ways that seem impossible. Let's start in the rivers. 1. Pink river dolphin. A pink dolphin living in the jungle sounds fake, but it is real. The Amazon pink river dolphin, also called the boto, swims through muddy rivers and flooded forests. Unlike ocean dolphins, it lives in freshwater, surrounded by trees, roots, and dark water. Its long snout helps it search for fish, and its flexible body helps it move around branches and underwater obstacles. Because the water is often cloudy, it uses sound to hunt. It sends out clicks, listens for echoes, and builds a picture of what is around it. A pink dolphin hunting through a flooded jungle already sounds bizarre, but the next animal is even more shocking. 2. Electric eel. The electric eel is one of the strangest hunters in the Amazon. It does not need claws. It does not need speed. It uses electricity. This animal can release electric shocks to stun prey, defend itself, and sense what is around it. In muddy water, that gives it a huge advantage. It can send out small pulses to detect nearby animals, then release a stronger shock when it is ready to attack. Imagine a fish swimming through dark water. Suddenly, the water bursts with invisible electricity. The fish freezes, and the electric eel moves in. No roar, no chase, just electricity. 3. Hoatzin. Now let's talk about one of the weirdest birds in the Brazilian jungle. The hoatzin looks like it came from prehistoric times. It has a spiky crest, red eyes, and a strange blue face. But the weirdest thing about this bird is its smell. The hoatzin eats mostly leaves and digests them through fermentation. Because of that, it can give off a strong odor, which is why people sometimes call it the stink bird. And the babies are even stranger. Young hoatzins have claws on their wings. If danger comes, they can drop into the water, escape, then climb back up into the trees using those claws. A smelly bird with clawed chicks sounds like something from a dinosaur movie, but it is real. 4. Poison dart frogs. Some of the most beautiful animals in the jungle are also some of the most dangerous. Poison dart frogs are tiny, colorful frogs that live in rainforest environments. Their bright colors are not just for beauty, they are a warning. In nature, bright colors often mean, "Do not touch me." Some poison dart frogs carry toxins in their skin that make predators avoid them. Their poison comes from the insects and small creatures they eat in the wild. That means their danger is connected to the jungle itself. The forest feeds the insects. The frogs eat the insects. The toxins build up in their skin. Then their bright colors warn predators to stay away. Small, colorful, and dangerous. That is what makes them so bizarre. 5. Sloth. The sloth survives by doing almost nothing. In a jungle full of fast hunters and dangerous predators, the sloth takes a different path. It moves slowly, hangs upside down, and spends most of its life in trees. Its slow movement helps it avoid being noticed. Even its fur becomes part of its camouflage. Algae can grow in the fur, giving it a greenish color that helps it blend into the leaves. The sloth is not just hiding in the jungle is hiding on the sloth. It may look lazy, but its slow lifestyle is actually a survival strategy. 6. Green anaconda. Now we move to one of the most feared animals in South America, the green anaconda. This giant snake lives near rivers, swamps, and flooded areas. It is one of the heaviest snakes in the world and is built for water. Its eyes and nostrils sit high on its head, allowing it to stay mostly hidden while watching for prey. The anaconda does not chase loudly. It waits. When an animal gets too close to the water, the anaconda can strike and wrap its powerful body around it. It does not need venom. Its body is the weapon. What makes the green anaconda so terrifying is that something so massive can disappear in muddy water. You may not see it until it moves. 7. Giant river otter. Otters usually look cute and playful, but the giant river otter is different. This is the largest otter species in the world, and it lives in the rivers of the Amazon. Giant river otters are social predators. They live in groups, communicate with loud calls, and hunt together. In a river filled with caimans, piranhas, snakes, and electric fish, this animal still stands out. It may look playful, but it is strong, fast, and bold. That mix of cute appearance and serious hunting power makes the giant river otter one of the most bizarre animals in the Brazilian jungle. 8. Harpy eagle. High in the rainforest canopy lives one of the most powerful birds on Earth, the harpy eagle. This bird has massive talons, strong legs, and an intense stare. It hunts animals in the trees, including monkeys and sloths. Unlike eagles that need wide open spaces, the harpy eagle is built for the forest. It can move through the canopy and strike with incredible force. It looks like something from a fantasy movie, but it is a real predator of the Brazilian jungle. If the anaconda rules the water, the harpy eagle rules the canopy. The Brazilian jungle is full of animals that look bizarre for a reason. The pink river dolphin uses sound in muddy water. The electric eel turns its body into a weapon. The hoatzin smells strange and has clawed chicks. Poison dart frogs use color as a warning. The sloth survives by moving slowly. The anaconda hides like a monster in the water. The giant river otter hunts in teams. And the harpy eagle dominates from above. These animals may seem strange to us, but in the jungle, every strange feature has a purpose. The Brazilian rainforest is not just beautiful, it is mysterious, dangerous, and full of creatures that prove nature can be stranger than anything we imagine. Subscribe for more strange animal stories, wildlife mysteries, and creatures that make our planet feel almost unreal.